From my angle, it looked like we were gonna hit.
What?
No.
No, it wasn't bad.
Because I know I'm between everybody's usually.
We don't need to keep moving, you guys.
You can hold the boat.
Yeah, hold the boat, guys.
He's coming right back.
Keep on traveling.
I was just gonna say.
If they're closer, less paddling.
That's true. That is true. So here he comes though.
We should have kept
And he didn't grab his water bottle. What about your water
On
bottle?
the Wileys.
Push off.
Wiley glasses. Can you get the veterans discount?
Can Eric walked right in front. What?
Can you get military discounts for veterans?
I could ask the manager about why. Fuck me. Are you kidding me?
You're not gonna go in.
I don't care.
Stay away.
Can you just like stand even and not put all your? I hate you. Stop it. It's not funny.
Yeah.
on the paddle. There's a dip in one side of the leg. Is there a way just to propel because of that?
Well, for example,
Not every battle.
yeah, not over paddle.
That's where it's being worn.
Oh, this is from hitting this.
And they just repaint it?
Yeah.
These are old paddles.
Okay. I thought maybe there was a trick to it because the other silk
Fine.
paddles
Okay,
do.
great.
Yeah, the owl has to be in.
Yeah, I'm like,
The owl has
see how
to
this
be-
right here? This.
Right.
Well, interesting. Talking to a guy who up in Seattle, he paddles Kawasaki, and he knows the VRE rep, and he was talking. This is the first year they've had it to where officially the owl's the front, but it's exactly the same on both sides.
Oh, really?
This is the first year that they've actually allowed to have it concave on the inside.
Huh.
But the only people that have it right now are Merlin. I'm not spending another $250 for a Carmen.
But I don't have one.
The owl should be in the front.
Yep, when you're paddling now.
Theoretically, but everything I've read, it's the exact same on both sides.
Well, on the gray owl side, it says the owl's in the front.
So
I get past Dr. Seuss.
hey Eric, what way are we going into the flag? Because there's a boat.
Let it run! Mike, see the flag? So go in between, like halfway in between, and then cut it. We're done. Pull it out.
Why the fuck do those boats have to be right there?
Because they suck.
Did they not get the whole flag thing being right there?
I think they not.
I think they did it on purpose.
Cover the camera. Are you gonna?
Boy, that guy's done.